Thank you so much. My name is Oliver Maranthem and I'm from the northeastern part of India, Manipur. And this is my first time coming here, joining the UN program. It is very, very much delighted for me to attend such a very huge program and share my knowledge. One thing I want to say is that thank you very much for giving me the knowledge. But the development which we are talking about, I think it's concentrating only in one area. That means like what we are talking about, what we are doing. Everything is like from only in the big cities. I came from a very remote part of India, in the northern part of India, where there is like lack of basic things also, like road transport and all. What I want to say is, yeah, for the developed cities like Bangkok, Delhi, Mumbai, London, everything is okay, and everyone here, I think it's all from the developed cities. What I want to say is, I'm from a little underdeveloped city. So what I want to say is, what can be done to reach in the underdeveloped cities, and what can be done in the remote area? Only the people from the cities will be developed. What about the cities which is underdeveloped? So what I want to ask is to let us people from the underdeveloped cities like me to include, so that we can also develop. Like every time when we are organizing a conference or everything, it's always in the developed area, and the developed people are always developing, and the underdeveloped cannot be reached. So please try to give me an idea how this problem can be solved and how we can be included. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Would you like to answer this question? Be very precise.
As someone from the
Yeah, my name is Oliver and I'm from Manipur, India. Yeah, and this, yeah, these are alphabet, A, B, C, D, like that. This is our alphabet. Kurung dari Indonesia. Yeah, kurung dari.